How to create a poll for your YouTube channel using your Android or iOS device. So hey guys, if you want to create a poll for your YouTube channel using your mobile device, then you need to follow these simple steps. So for this particular operation, you won't be requiring the YouTube Studio, and all you need is your YouTube application. So first let's open up our YouTube application. Then once the application opens up, you can see this plus icon at the bottom of the interface. So simply click onto this plus icon, and from here you need to scroll towards the left so that you move towards the right, and you will see this post option. So simply go to the post option, and in the post option you can see this first button which stands for the poll. So here you can see that once I have clicked here, I have two options, either to create an image poll or a text poll. So for this video we will be creating a text poll. So simply click onto the text button, and this interface will now appear. So at the very top you need to ask a question, or it could be anything, which is basically the headline of the poll. So for example, let us say, how was your day is the question, and then you can add any option. So this is the first option. Moving on to the second option, and then if you want to add more option, simply click onto this add option button. Then you can add the option as you did previously. So once you are done with the question and you have added all the options, then you may also choose to schedule this particular post for a later time, and there is also an expiry time if you want. So once done all of these things, you need to click onto this post option at the top right, and once you will click onto this, just give it some time, and here you can see that the post has been successfully created, and it will look like that, and then the audience can choose any option according to their preference. So that's how easy it is to create a poll in your YouTube account. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.